today it's Total Valenzuela for our first unboxing item, which is our Total brand. 20 volts shareable battery, lithium ion impact wrench, 1/2 drive, 300 Newton meter. Yan. Battery niya is 2 battery pack na siya, heavy duty. Yan, brushless motor also, as you can see. This one, brushless motor, no carbon brush needed. It has a 300 Newton meter, 0 to 1300, 0 to 1300, and 0 to 2100 rate per minute. Yeah, these are the products that are suitable for their battery. Yeah. Same battery, 120 plus tools. Okay, we will open it now. The packaging is quite impressive. Siksik liglig, di umaapaw. In the box, as we can see, the 2 battery pack, 1 charger, the product itself, and this one. As you can see, this one indicated in there that it is a brushless motor. As you can see, brushless motor. And it's quite heavy though, but it's durable and quality product based on the rates of our consumer online, like Shopee, Lazada, or any kind of platform in online selling. Yeah. And then it has a wrench, 3 pieces wrench. And some people doesn't give this one to their customer if you're not really interested about this. Some seller are hiding this one to their customer, then try to sell it to them extra income. But this video is help you guys na makikita natin dito na what are the products inside, what is inside the box, para sa mga bago natin. Ang total boxing, maganda sa total packaging is that they will indicate kung ano yung this one is it's a tool bag, ina-indicate nila dito what are the accessories included, kaya parang di tayo maloko. Ayan, accessories niya, yung belt clip niya. Yung belt clip niya is nasa manual nakalagay dito. Ayan, yung belt clip niya. Needed talaga siya. Ayan. Ito yung mga kasama niya. Industrial use na siya. Good, actually good for siya, talier, mga business, car businesses. Some of my client here in Metro Manila, yung mga Isuzu, Mitsubishi, yan. Yan yung gamit nila. Okay. At assemble lang natin, tapos testing natin. Yun na nga guys, tapos na nga tayo mag-ayos dyan. Iti-testing na natin yung product, kung yung ingay niya, smooth lang siya. Yan. Pwede natin siya i-change ng makikita natin dyan, high and low. Yan, yung makikita natin. Clock niya, high and low. Pwede natin siya, dapat kasi habang pinipindot mo ito, pwede mo sa libaan yan, high and low siya. Ganon din sa niya, pwede natin siya i-change ng pwede siya i-change ng yung pag pinindot mo siya, isang lang, only when running. I-change lang natin siya pag running. Hindi natin siya pwedeng tulad yan. Ayan pag-uwi na natin. Maganda siya, brushless type, original. Maybe it will last din at least 5 to 10 years. Depende sa paggagamit mo, depende na din sa sa nito, alaga mo sa product. Kasi yung mga product talaga, kahit branded yan, masisira at masisira rin yan kung hindi ka rin marunong mag-alaga. Ayan. Kaya sa mga gustong bumili, available siya sa Shopee shop natin. 6,900 pesos lang siya, cash on delivery. 2 battery packs, ayan, with bag, with ano na din, may mga sakit na din nakasama, 17, 19, 21. Kaya for more videos upload, please subscribe to my channel. Huwag natin kalimutan na i-hit ang click the notification bell button para mas lalo tayong updated sa mga total unboxing products, sa mga introducing our products. Ayan guys, sa mga gustong comment lang kayo kung anong product ang gusto nating i-unbox ulit, pakita natin. Yan.